Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about truck bed storage real quick today. So, as you can see, I've got my tonneau cover here, and I would like to have a little bit more storage, not like a plastic bin like that. For one, you can't tighten it down very much or it'll crush the thing. So it's not the best solution for some of your more expensive tools and storage in there, and it doesn't lock. I didn't want to go with a truck wide bed because I don't want it to interfere with the tonneau cover or have to get a different one. So I'll show you what I came up with just a sec. All right, here's what I came up with. I've got a diamond plate aluminum here. This box is really lightweight, but it's tough. I think it only weighs like 20 pounds, maybe even less. It wasn't hard to pick up. I was a little bit worried that it wouldn't fit between my fender wells, but it fits perfectly because the box is 47.5 inches and fender well to fender well is 48 inches. So you have a little bit of wiggle room. The only downside to this setup is my tonneau cover, that's as much as it folds up. It doesn't flip up another 90 degrees against the back window. So I don't have much clearance to get in and out of the box there. But I like this solution a lot better because it gives me the whole back end of the truck to store extra stuff like suitcases and stuff on a trip. So I think this is going to be a great solution. The only thing I've got to figure out is on the sides here, you can see the handle there. I'm going to get a short strap or something, and I'm going to strap it to that tie down right there. And then it'll be easily removable. So if I need to slide it towards the back of the truck to access anything, I can just quickly disconnect it from there and do that. So I'll come up with something for that. And let me show you inside this thing real quick. Another thing that I like about it is it's got a spring-loaded top. So when you pop it, it pops open real fast. I don't know if those are adjustable or not, but there was a warning sticker on top that said careful, it opens quickly, because I guess they didn't want you to hit yourself in the face. But you can see here, I've got my little 12-volt air compressor in here. I love this thing, and I love the fact that it sits in there so nicely. It just barely fits. You can see the tank is right up against the front, and you can barely see those two little pads sticking out. So that's nice because it won't be banging around in there too much since it fits so nicely. All right, so I've got most of my equipment loaded in here. It fits pretty nicely. I've got another small portable air compressor. That's more for blowing up toys like tubes and stuff like that when we go river float trips or something. You can also do like air mattresses with it, so that's handy to have. That one's like, I think about 80 or 90 bucks, and that one's closer to 160. Obviously that one airs up tires a lot faster, so if I'm coming back up on the hard ground from the beach, I can air up pretty quickly with that instead of, I think that one takes like 10 minutes to go from 10 psi to 35 psi, so that would take a long time. I've got my flexible air hose here, or retractable, whatever you want to call it. And what I really like is it's got a digital gauge on it, and it has the attachment right there that just locks onto the tire stem, so you don't have to hold it on there the whole time. It clips right there and just holds itself on, and it actually works pretty good. I was worried about it not staying on there, but it does pretty good. I've got my impact wrench here. I've also got an air down kit in here. I think I showed you guys those in a different video. And what's nice about having this impact gun is I can charge the battery for it right there to make sure it's all up to par. I guess I could run the cord through here, so this could be inside the... Nah, I don't want to drill a hole in it. Anyway, I also have a set of wrenches with the ratchet end, and I have a set of deep well sockets for the impact wrench in here. Let me know if there's anything else that I should keep in here just to be prepared for anything. We do a lot of trips to the mountains and to the beach and camping and stuff like that, so let me know if there's anything else I should carry along. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.